Previously, the Post Configurator user-defined events editor only allowed you to add and modify UDEs in the customer layer's CDL file. Post writers needed to move them to the service layer using the text editor. Because CDL files were included in the hierarchy, it was difficult to know which CDL files contained which UDEs. This enhancement makes it easy to see the file information of each UDE, and UDEs can easily be assigned to editable CDL files. In addition, because the default UDE and controller layer UDE are inherited in all Post Configurator post processors, it was hard to find and know which UDEs are available in the current kit in a long list. This enhancement provides a method to hide UDEs in the CAM Setup UDE list. We'll begin by opening the out-of-the-box SIM08 Mil5-axis Cinemeric sample part. Make sure the post processor folder is writable. Open Post Configurator and click the User-Defined Events Editor button. Event type can show all events or editable events. The CDL Files drop-down shows all CDL files included in the current post processor. Selecting a CDL file from this list will show all events from the selected file in the Events Available section of the dialog box. Select the head UDE from the Events Available list and right-click to copy it to the customer layer's CDL file. File information indicates where the UDE is located. To hide the head UDE from the UDE list, change event types to editable events and CDL files to all files. Select the head UDE and right-click to hide it. A message displays warning you that the hidden UDE cannot be loaded in earlier versions of NX. Click OK and save the post processor in the Post Configurator. Go to Manufacturing Preferences and reset the configuration file and the template set file to reload the UDE list. Open the User-Defined Events dialog and notice the head UDE is hidden and no longer displays. To redisplay the head UDE, open the UDE editor, click Editable Events, right-click on Head, and click Show in UDE List. Go to Manufacturing Preferences and reset the configuration file and the template set file to reload the UDE list. Check the UDE dialog and notice the head UDE again displays in the Events Available list.